Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Netflix tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the language on Netflix. It's actually quite simple. To do this I first go to Netflix. Now we need to distinguish what exactly I want to change the language for. Because the language of the menu is set differently than the language in movies and series. We'll start with the menu first. In the profile selection I have to click on Manage Profiles. And now we select the profile for which I want to change the language. Here I can now change the language for the user interface, and with a click on Save, this will be updated. We will leave the language in English now because the tutorial is not finished yet, but that's how it works. Now let's look how to change the language for a movie or a series. We go into a profile and choose a movie or a series. And here at the bottom I find this little speech bubble. I can now set the audio language as well as the language of the subtitles. With one click, that's done. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.